How to add a date and time watermark to your photos on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize and enable the watermark feature in your camera settings. First, open the camera app on your Android device. After that, tap the menu icon at the bottom, the one that looks like four dots forming a square. From there, select Settings from the options that appear. At this point, scroll through and find the Picture section, then tap on Watermark to open its options. In the next step, toggle on Watermark to enable it. Following this, under Info to Show, you'll see a couple of options. The first one is Model Name. Go ahead and toggle that on as well. Once done, you'll also see a separate toggle for Date and Time. Turn that on too, so both the date and time get stamped onto your photos. From here, you'll notice a live preview right on the screen, showing exactly how your watermark is going to look on your photos. At this stage, if you want to change the font of the watermark, tap on Font below and pick whichever style you prefer. Finally, you can also reposition the watermark by selecting a different alignment option at the bottom of the screen. Choose whichever position looks best to you. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.